MoneyPrinterTurbo tool is here for you. It solves your content creation workflow by doing script writing, voiceovers, and editing all at once. Today, using this tool, I've built my own zero-cost video generator pipeline with the latest Gemma 4 model used as a local AI brain. Hello everyone and welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local and free AI tools to build practical AI projects on consumer hardware. And today I'm going to be covering this new content creation tool. A specialty about this tool is that you just need to provide a topic or keyword for a video and the tool will take over completely. It will automatically write your script, find the video materials like your background clips, add subtitles and the music, and generate the final high definition video without requiring any input from you. Under the hood, it is just a really clean MVC architecture, which basically means that the code is made in a structured manner, making it super easy to maintain and upgrade on top of it if you want. And you're not just logged into a simple user interface here. It supports both a web dashboard for easy click and drag interface and a full API if you want to connect it to your custom apps. If you feel lazy, you can let the AI write the complete script for you, but if you have a specific message or a script that you have made for yourself, it also lets you drop your own customized copy easily. For those working on mobile platforms like Reels or Shorts, it handles the vertical videos natively and it can output the portrait videos in the full high definition 1080 by 1920. And if you are building for standard YouTube or desktop, it also supports the landscape mode, again in the full HD format. One of the absolute best features is that you can generate multiple videos at once, where you can create bunch of variations and just pick the best one out of them. You also have full control over the duration and the pacing of your final video, where you can adjust how fast each of your background clip will go. Currently, this tool is bilingual out of the box. It supports both Chinese and English languages, so you can generate your video copy and process the text in both of these languages. When it comes to the AI brain writing the scripts, you have amazing local and open source supports like Ollama DeepSeek and all these other options which you can directly plug in to write your content locally. And if you prefer cloud models, you can plug in the APIs for OpenAI or Google Gemini and generate your video scripts using them. This tool gives you a real-time preview of all the effects, so you don't even have to wait for the entire video to render to hear the final voice. It has multiple voice synthesis options in real time, so you know exactly how the final video will sound like. For the voice synthesis, it by default uses the HTTS tool, which is completely free without any API key usage. But if you want sounds that sounds more like human and natural, you can switch to the paid Azure TTS V2 as well, but you will need your own paid API keys from Microsoft to use this. It also does the subtitle generation on its own, and you can easily tweak the font, position, color, size, and even add subtitle outlining to make the final subtitle text pop in your video. When it builds those subtitles, it actually has two different ways to generate them. First, uses the HTTS timestamps directly to align those subtitles, which is super fast because there is no GPU requirements in the machine when using this method. But there is small catch in this HTTS method. Because it relies on the text-to-speech time signal, it can sometimes mess up the timing and misalign your text and audio when dealing with complex sentences. That's why there is this second method, which is much more powerful and uses a faster whisper running locally on your own machine. This listens to the generated audio and create highly accurate timestamps for each word spoken. But to use this, you need to download the whisper model first, and here there are two options. You can go for the turbo model, which is just 250 MB, or the bigger large V3 model as well, which is 3 GB big. From the visuals that is generated by this video, you don't even have to worry about the copyright strikes because it pulls all the video resources which are high definition and completely royalty free. But if you already have a folder of cool gameplay clips, you can use that too by pointing this tool to your own local materials. The video is not complete without some good audio vibes, and this tool can randomly add the background music, or you can specify the exact music files and also tweak the background music volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. Now it's time to use this tool to build my own local project. For my coding environment, I'm going to be using Google Antigravity. If you don't have it installed, just go to antigravity.google/download and download the installer according to your platform. Next, for the local AI brain to generate the transcripts, I'm going to be using Ollama model. So if you don't have the software, just go to ollama.com/download and download the installer. For the local model, I'm going to be using the Gemma 4 model, which is recently released by Google. And to download the model yourself, you just need to select any of these quantizations and then copy the run query to download the model. Now once you have Google Antigravity open, you can just go to the file menu and click on open folder, and you can select any folder on your PC as the current working directory for this project. Next, I'll be putting all these code files in the GitHub link in description and pinned comment, so you can directly copy them and get the project running. So now workspace mainly will have this MoneyPrinterTurbo directory where the whole automated generation engine is cloned from the GitHub repository. Next would be the readme file with the step-by-step instruction which I have currently opened. And download sample video will be used to download some sample video, or you can also let the MoneyPrinter tool download any video from online royalty-free websites. Then testapi.py will launch the API of the MoneyPrinter tool and generate the final video with audio, subtitles, background music added. To set up the project, first you need to install the Ollama model. I'm going to be using the 2 billion parameter version of this Gemma 4, but you can go for the higher parameter sizes as well if you have enough graphic card in your system. As a rough approximation, you need to have at least that much GB of the VRAM available in your graphic card as the number of billion parameters that are there in the target model. So I'm going to copy this query and go to the terminal and paste it here. Now the model will be downloaded and installed. installed, you can directly interact with it like a chatbot, or you can use it in your Python projects as well. So for now, I'll exit the chatbot by pressing buy command and press enter. Next, you need to clone the repository of the MoneyPrinterTurbo tool. So you just need to paste this command in the terminal. For me, I have already done this step, so this MoneyPrinterTurbo library is installed in the current folder. Next, you need to run the install command for the Windows PowerShell by just going into the MoneyPrinterTurbo directory and running the install PowerShell command like this. So I'll just copy all these three and again go to the terminal and paste them here. So now the model has downloaded and everything is installed perfectly. Next step is to activate our virtual Python environment in Python so my earlier projects don't get affected by this tool. So if you are on Windows, you just need to copy this command, or if you are on macOS or Linux, you can use this kind of command. So I'll just copy this, again go to the terminal and paste it here. So now as you can see, the virtual environment is activated here and every command would be run in this environment only. So you need to set up your Ollama models in the configuration file of the MoneyPrinterTurbo tool. So just navigate to the MoneyPrinterTurbo and the config.toml file, and according to README, just update all these parameters in the toml file. For me, I have already done this, like LMM provider is set as Ollama. Ollama base URL is the local URL where all the Ollama requests are sent to, and the model is currently set as Gemma 4 E2B that I have just downloaded. Now once all of this is set up, you just need a simple test API.py file where I'll send the request to the API endpoints of the MoneyPrinterTurbo tool. I've given the video subject as the history of Roman Empire. The video source is local, which will be downloaded by this download sample video file. The file name would be sample.mp4. The duration would be 5 seconds. The final video I want in a vertical format in an English US accent, and the subtitles should be enabled. Then I'm going to be submitting my video generation request to the API URL of MoneyPrinterTurbo. So using the request library, you just need to hit that URL and send your JSON payload that we have defined here. And once we get the result and the status is 200, which is a success message, we will print that the task has started successfully with this task ID. Then in a loop, we will get all the status responses and the data from that MoneyPrinterTurbo API. And once the task is completed, I will get the video from the status data and print the success message that the video has generated. And in case of any error, we'll just say video generation failed and the fact that we could not start the task. Now to download the sample video, I've just taken a URL of a sample classroom video and I will save it in this sample.mp4 file. Now I'll define the local directories, download the sample video from the URL, and using the URL library, I'll download that video and save to the local project path. And once the Python file is called, this main function will be called directly. Now to run this project, first we need to download the sample video. So I'll just copy this command and paste it in the terminal. So this will run the download sample video.py file using Python. Now it is downloading the sample video from this GitHub URL. And now my sample video is downloaded here with this sample.mp4 file having some classroom test video. Now using this video, I'll run the MoneyPrinterTurbo file. First we need to launch the MoneyPrinterTurbo tool in background. So just copy these commands, go to the terminal and paste them here. And once the server has started, we'll just run the test API.py file, which will take the sample.mp4 file, add some subtitles, background music, and align all the clips according to the subject of Roman Empire topic. So I'll just paste this command here. And once everything is finished, that output generated video file will be given here.
The Roman Empire was one of the most powerful and influential civilizations in human history, spanning over.
And it has given me the full video clip with added subtitles and some basic story about the Roman Empire. And it has also added the subtitles, and it has also clipped the input video so that all the cuts are following the subtitles that are generated. So this was just a simple demo of how to use this tool. Here I've downloaded some sample video on my own, but you can directly use this tool and it will download the royalty-free background clips from online completely free of cost. Now you can also use this kind of tool in some other real-world use cases as well, like the first one which I have already done to quickly generate some short video content locally. Then you can also turn the textbook concepts or historical summaries into audio-visual guides for the students, having subtitles, audio, video, background music, everything built by this tool on its own. Then let's say if you have some local product footage clips, you can directly create the promotional vertical videos using this tool completely free of cost. Then you can also add some localized business ad campaigns without any paid production budgets from the online API tools. Then you can also build some language learning clips with matching voiceovers and the text overlays added so the students can easily visualize and understand the concepts. And on top of this project, we can also add some more features like local voice cloning, where we can have our own customer narrator voice using tools like Bark or XTTS and integrate them in our pipeline so we have our own desired narrator voices. Then we can also add some semantic search on the clips so all the local video materials are directly matching with the LLM script text. Then once the background music is added, we can also add some beat sync transitions where all the transitions between the different video clips will be synced to the background music beats. Then you can add the APIs from YouTube or TikTok and directly upload those compiled videos without any human intervention. And you can have some separate multi-agent team where one agent can do the script design and other can do the SEO keyword extraction. section. So this was it for this tool and project. We covered the Money Printer Turbo tool, which is essentially an all-in-one video factory that turns the simple text prompts into fully edited video clips. All the codes and the README file with the step-by-step instruction on how to set up the project will be available in the GitHub link in description and pinned comments, so you can grab them and get started with the project easily. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to build more local AI projects, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates, and workflows.